Still bothered by hunting for keys just to lock your door? This is an all pure mechanical rotating door bolt lock, fully non-electronic. No keys even needed to lock your door. Once you take your keys and leave, your family can lock up the door with just a simple twist. Super easy installation. No drilling, no cutting, and no professional help at all. You can get it installed all by yourself in just minutes. Non-destructive mount, totally DIY friendly. Made of premium 304 stainless steel, it's solid and heavy duty. No rust, no fading, ever. Perfect for homes, apartments, garages, and side doors.